In 1973, I came to the United States from Haiti. Haiti is the country that has two official languages, French and Creole. I arrived in January, just after the holiday season. School had reopened already. I started classes 1 week later at Kenwood High School on the south side of Chicago. I had never seen such a big school before. I was placed in the grade appropriate to my age. As a sophomore, I received ESOL tutoring from the Program for Learners of English as a Second Language. Later, I graduated from Homewood Flossmoor High School, a member of the National Honor Society. Imagine, 2 years earlier, I could not speak a word of English. If non-speaking English immigrant children like myself can learn the language, be educated, to have a chance to become whatever they could be in a foreign country, why are the majority of Haiti's youth unable to learn French and to speak the language fluently? In this age of globalization, Haiti has the lowest rate of literacy in the Western Hemisphere. Only 80% of Haiti's youth age 15 to 24 are literate, in comparison to practically 100% of youth in the Caribbean region. The use of two languages should not be a pitfall for national welfare. There are about 55 cities in the world that are identified officially as bilingual or multilingual nations, or that recognize part of their territories as such. For example, in Switzerland, the official languages are French, German, and Italian. In Belgium, they are Dutch, French, and German. Here in North America, Canada lists English and French as the two official languages for the province of Quebec. The Haitian dilemma is that a colossal language issue hinders results from the education system. French, a language that a mere 10% of the population speak fluently, has been the official language of instruction since independence in 1804. It is the Constitution of 1987 that gave to the national language, the Creole language, equal status with French as an official language for the country. The Constitution ordered that official documents and statements be formulated in both languages, French and Creole. Since then, the use of Creole in public life and in schools has increased. Nevertheless, French remains the main language used in public administration, government services, the justice system, the educational system, especially in higher education. that is the prevailing situation in a country where 90% of the population speak only Creole. In 1979, then Minister of Education, Joseph Bernard, launched an educational reform. He wanted Creole to become the language of instruction because it is the language spoken by the entire population. He was met with a fierce refusal from French-speaking parents and educators alike. They did not want their children schooled in French to learn to read and write in Creole. Their main argument was that, in their opinion, Creole was not a language. It was a dialect for which teaching materials and textbooks did not exist. Lately, two phenomena have been taking place in Haiti. It started with faith-based groups doing charity work in Haiti, establishing schools in different communities where they serve. In these schools, they use Creole English textbooks. Lately, small private schools in the inner cities of the Port-au-Prince area have also started using Creole and English textbooks in their classrooms. This innovative format combining Creole and the use of Creole English textbooks in the classroom is bringing a challenger to the battlefield of languages in Haiti, the English language. Meanwhile, for the past decades, Creole has been making its way in the world of universities, particularly in American universities. Here in Florida, the University of Miami, the Florida International University, among others, are offering courses at the graduate level, just as Harvard, Duke University, Notre Dame University. This is a big breakthrough for the Creole language. At the same time, there are more and more textbooks that are being published in Creole and English for all subjects like math, science, for all grade levels. And those books are readily available online on platforms like Amazon. These avenues are breaking the isolation created by Creole monolingualism. And they are providing to Creole speakers something essential that was lacking in the Creole language: teaching materials. This new outcome raises the question: Will we see English become a language of instruction alongside Creole to surpass the use of French as a language of instruction in Haitian schools?